Today, we will see how to convert a picture into a vector image. You can see how unshapen and blurry the edges are. So we will take a duplicate of this and convert this into vector image. It's a very simple way. So first, we will go to Window and then Image Trace. Then you can adjust it as per your requirement. Then we will expand it. You can see that a white background has appeared behind it. We have to delete it, can't even do it. It's all up to you. Let's delete it for now. Now you can see the difference. Now we will see it on another image. You can convert any image into vector image by following the same process. You can see its difference on flowers. If you are happy and learned something new from my video, then please like it. And I hope you liked it. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.